How's it going, everyone? Oculus VR here. Hope you're having an amazing day, and today we're going to be going over my top 5 best VR games you can get on the Oculus Quest and Oculus Quest 2 right now. Now, I wanted to do 2 videos on this, one where I talk about the games on the Oculus Store and one where I talk about the games on Sidequest, but I went ahead and decided to merge the 2. In this video, I'll be listing the games that are a bit under the radar because this video is mainly for people who just got into VR or are getting an Oculus Quest 2 soon. So of course, I won't be listing any games like Beat Saber or Super Hot or VR Chat. Those are great games, but everybody already knows about them, so I wanted to give other games the spotlight for a bit. What's your favorite VR game? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Have I heard of it or no? And of course, if you're not subscribed, maybe hit that sub button because it really helps me out a lot. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so number 5 is going to have to be Thrill of the Fight. Now this is an amazing game, and it's probably one of the more popular on the list, but I wanted to show you guys anyway because I never see it on any lists. Thrill of the Fight is a room-scale only VR boxing game, focused on authenticity. Face off in the virtual ring where you'll jab, dodge, and sweat your way to the top of the boxing world. Grab your gloves, step into the ropes, and become a champion. Now this game is a workout and is very intense, so if you like those kinds of games, this one is definitely for you. Now, in this game you can have your own personal training area. You can also do campaign mode, but note that the campaign in this game isn't the longest, but it does have a high replay value, and there are some harder difficulties. The game is produced by the same development company as Drunken Bar Fight. Now I know a lot of you guys know that game, and this game is just as good as that one. This game is on the cheaper side and it's at the low price of $10. It's a lot of fun and definitely a great VR experience for everyone. Please be sure to check this one out, you won't regret it. Okay, so at number 4, we're going to have Hand Physics Lab on Sidequest. Now this game takes hand tracking to the next level. It does what the official Oculus Store games like Elixir don't do. 100% pure interactivity. There really isn't a story or anything, it's just a hand tracking playground. Now there are a ton of really cool things for you to try out in this game, like drawing and typing and playing with the keyboard and mouse, which is pretty cool. There's also like this force push thing or something, I really forget what it was called, but that was really cool. You can also do this really cool and weird hand slicer thing, so like you can move your hand but it's like detached from your arm. It's so cool. The really cool thing in this game was like this little gun mode where you shoot dummies with Nerf guns. It was a really awesome experience to be able to pick up and shoot a gun without a controller. It was pretty mind-blowing. Of course, there's a ton of other things for you to do. I've played this game many times, and every single time I'm baffled at how good the hand tracking is. But if you're interested in this new technology, I would recommend you check this game out a lot, and it's free to download on Sidequest. One other very fun game on the Oculus Store has to be Raccoon Lagoon. Now this game is pretty much like a VR Animal Crossing, and it's honestly a pretty great time passer. I actually played this game during quarantine to kind of feel like I was in an open place and like my own island, which was pretty great to be honest. I'll read you the description really quickly. A group of adorable sailors have marooned on your shore. Let's help them build a home here, and just maybe they can help you repair the island's broken heart. Explore the 8 beautiful and distinct climates of this island, and with fishing, cooking, farming, mining, painting, and themed decorations, and many hours of story quests, you won't run out of things to do. You can even invite friends if you wish, just make sure to watch out for the raccoons. Now this is a pretty fun experience. I loved watching my island get better and better as I played more often. I would definitely recommend it for anyone who likes these kinds of games. But please note that this game does kind of give you some motion sickness, so if you're easily sick from this kind of stuff, be cautious and be sure to take some breaks. This game definitely needs to be more popular. There's a lot of stuff to really like about it. Like how there's multiplayer and there really isn't an end to this game. You can kind of play as much as you want. And this game is actually only $15, so for this much time and gameplay, for only $15, it really is a bang for your buck. So yeah, be sure to get this game on the Oculus Store. Alright, for number 2, it's gonna have to be Hyperdash. Now this game is a blast, but it's only on Sidequest. Yeah, it's also on Steam, so if you use Link or you just play PC VR, it's also on there. This game is probably the most well-made and polished game that Sidequest has on their library, and it's honestly better than some games on the Oculus Store. Fight in 5v5 online games. There are a few different game modes in this, like Domination and Payload, and they're all equally fun in my opinion. This game mixes teleportation and smooth locomotion almost effortlessly. The combat feels so fluid and the games are very fast-paced. Whether you're playing with friends or playing alone, this game is still incredibly fun. There are a lot of game mechanics in this game that really set it apart from others. Yeah, if you're a fan of FPS games, please check this one out. And of course, it's at the low price of free, so you really don't have to make an investment, and you're pretty much losing if you don't check this game out. It's awesome. Alright, so my number one game is going to have to be Red Matter. Now this game is pretty popular, but it's for a good reason. I wanted to put this game at number one because I really want more people to try this game. It's a masterpiece and deserves more attention than it already gets. The visuals are stunning and the story is very captivating. Here's a quick description. Red Matter is a story-driven VR puzzle adventure game set during the dystopian sci-fi Cold War. Take on the role of Agent Epsilon, an astronaut of the Atlantic Union dispatched to an abandoned Volgravian base on Rhea, one of Saturn's moons. Your mission? To investigate a shady top-secret research project. This game does a great job of making you feel uneasy, but it's not a horror game. The atmosphere is great and it's very isolating even though you're on a big moon/planet. This game is a masterpiece and I can't stress enough how much I want you to play it. It's only a few hours long and it has a price tag of $25 US, but it's 100% worth it in my opinion. If you like games with great visuals and story-driven games, this one is definitely for you. Okay, so that's about it for today's list video. I just wanted to share a few games with you guys since a lot of people will be getting a Quest 2 in the near future because of the holiday season. If you tried any of these games, which one did you like the most? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to let me know by hitting that thumbs up button, and of course, if you didn't like it, it wouldn't hurt to let me know. And of course, if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more. Have an absolutely amazing day, have fun exploring that virtual world, and as always, take care.